Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Zenbre Bluetooth speaker D6. Now at the moment this can be picked up for under £30 here in the UK, down from the original price of around £90, so already we're off to quite a good start in regards to the price point. It can also be picked up in 3 different colours. You have the black, green and also the blue version that I have here, which I think looks the nicest out of all 3. You've got a silicone tab on the left hand side for the included carabiner clip, and all of your media controls are on top of the speaker itself. You've got the power on off, volume up and down, and also play pause. Now both the play pause and volume controls can be used multi-function, so if you want to skip tracks or get a virtual assistant, then you've got the option to do so by using different commands on the buttons on top. Now on the right hand side you've got all of your inputs, so you've got your micro USB to actually charge the device, and you've got a 3.5mm auxiliary input as well behind this door, which is actually quite hard to get open upon first try. Now you do also have a blue LED indicator on the top of the device as well to let you know when it's in pairing mode or just in general when it's being used. So overall the design isn't really too bad. It is also IPX in terms of water resistant, and it's also dust proof and shock proof, so if you are using it out and about you're not really going to have any issues if you were to drop it. But how does it actually sound? Well, I've done my best to record some audio, so let's take a listen. So as you can tell there from that very brief example, the sound isn't all too bad, and it does have quite a lot of bass, actually moving the Bluetooth speaker once I cranked up the volume. But as always, sound profiles on these Bluetooth speakers are always down to personal preference, so for me it's not necessarily the best, but for you it might be exactly what you need. But that's going to do it guys for this video. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. For more content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Hey guys, and thank you very much for watching my newest video here on Copper vs Glass, and if you're not already, now is a great time to subscribe. Now once you are subscribed, you will also need to hit that notification bell, as you may not be notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. And the reason is because YouTube has changed a lot of things around subscriptions and the way that they work. Now reading direct from YouTube's channel here, you can see that it says, subscribe to channels you'd like to see more content from those channels. You can find a subscription button under any YouTube video or on a channel's page, and once you've subscribed to a channel, any new video that they publish will turn up in your subscription feed. Well, it turns out that that's not actually the case anymore. Now for me, I've got just over 60,000 subscribers at the moment at the time of filming this video, but some of my videos don't really get that many views, and in my opinion, it's because they're not appearing in your subscription box. Now, if it was that you weren't really enjoying the content or didn't like what I was doing here on the channel, then in my opinion, you would unsubscribe and my subscribers would massively go down, but that doesn't seem to be the case, so it may be that you're not getting the actual video itself. And more recently, in March of 2018, YouTube directly put out a tweet, and it reads the following. On the flip side, someone might not want to be notified about every upload from every single subscription, especially if they have a lot. Now the bell gives the option, none, occasional or all notifications, and you'll be notified for every upload so long as you choose all notifications. So guys, like I mentioned, once you've hit that subscribe button, also turn on the bell notifications for all notifications so that you guys get a notification when I post a new video here on the channel, so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome videos that I'm doing, whether that's a new tech video or a giveaway. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this part of the video.